Hi everyone, I'm excited to be here today. My name is Megan Alexander, and I want to talk to you again on the rural side of things and how we can collectively incubate our rural communities to divert more organics materials and reach statewide goals. If you will, imagine your ideal world. Mine is green and blue and vibrant. And I believe in this vision so wholly that I jumped ship from my bill-paying job to become a composter and take over Carter's Compost in Traverse City, Michigan. Now organics is my whole world as we focus on that green, blue, and vibrant community. I'm a proud member of a group of both public and private sector partners on the local and statewide side, and we are part of a group called the Organics Waste Diversion Advisory Partnership. Our partnership dreams of building community that's connected to their local farms and food systems. We dream of building capacity through closed-loop waste systems and sustainable food systems, and connecting healthy ecosystems to the people. Like others in our region, we believe that soil health is human health. Our partnership has very specific goals that derive right from the state goals, like Julie talked about right at the beginning. Our goal in our 10-county region is to divert 30,000 more tons of organic materials that are currently going to landfills. And that data comes from an RRS study in 2021 that told us in our region, we are currently diverting around 8,000 tons of materials, largely through centralized yard trimming collection sites, a little bit in food rescue, and some dispersed composting as well. On the flip side, we are creating about 93,000 tons of organic material in that same 10-county space. So quick math, less than 10% is what we're diverting, which is not the 45% we need to reach our goals. We know there are so many options on how we can attack this from the right on the head on. We can do some community composting with drop-off sites. We have animal feed, medium and large-scale composting operation opportunities, and we're ready to do that work. So the world and everything we do is circular. We knew our group of partners has already done a lot of work in the mechanisms. You can see here we have a lot of points in our value chain that we know a lot about, but coming into NextCycle, there are points in here that we needed to bridge that gap so that we can create a full value chain and incubate our rural network to do more work collectively. Through connecting not only with residents, but also institutions and businesses, our partnership is ready to invest in our market changes or our systems change, like private-public partnerships and supporting policies and education and engagement. So we ask ourselves, how can we invest in these levers of systems change to ignite it in our rural region? Well, we take what we know and we get to work. We're already doing a lot of things with the very slim funds that we have. We've launched a community of practice focused on drop-offs. We are engaging with our community through networking and matchmaking events, and also working through the stepping stones that NextCycle has provided to complete our end-of-market research and understand that complete value chain. We are supporting community demand through MMP and supporting policies, and we're advocating for more private-public partnership pilots like the one in Traverse City, Michigan, and the In-Vessel Composter. As a partnership group, we have identified that this is an economic development opportunity that would bring millions of dollars into our rural 10-county region, and on top of that, develop a workforce and jobs. It would offset legacy landfill costs, and of course, the environmental benefits are too long to list in this time frame. We know the push. We need to divert 30,000 tons of food waste or organic materials that are going to landfills. And through NextCycle, we have a path forward to generate that pull to incentivize participation and systems change through economic development and entrepreneurship. So think all of the people that you've heard of in this room. We want to elevate and boost them all up. We're ultimately setting the wheel of circularity into motion by investing in this complete value chain in our 10-county rural region. So if we think back to the beginning, what is the vision? It's green and blue and vibrant, communities connected to soil health. And our main ask is a financial investment in this community or in this financial incubator network to roll out programs like small business microloans, business model sharing, and toolkits, for example, to name a few, to enhance entrepreneurial engagement in our region. We're also open to partnerships in technical assistance, volunteerism, and mentorship. And your monetary or brain trust investment helps fuel change in Northwest Lower Michigan and sets the stage for other rural communities to share in our learnings. Thank you so much.